for our view, I think there is a possibility of a trade deal being done. I think it's a win-win situation for both Europe and UK, in fact. I think especially in this COVID environment. So it has outperformed yesterday. I think markets were rushing into price in a more favorable Brexit outcome. And then with the talks resuming Thursday today, and EU formally recognizing the UK economy, I think sovereignty, the UK sovereignty is actually key. I think it's a key focus and key importance for future talks. So I think, yeah. So I think markets are already pricing in some of it, but further positive story will actually push it a bit higher.
And if you're saying that it could push it a bit higher, what would be your long-term target on the GBP?
Actually, if you look at our forecast, we were looking at GBP end of the year, next year at about 138. End of this year, about 134, 135. But that's a bit overly positive. We were actually pricing in a base case scenario of a formal positive talks coming out from the Brexit discussions.
Do you have a call on the Korean won?
Yeah, so in essence, I think it's a difficult situation for central banks in North Asia and probably in Asia as well, especially if dollar trajectory goes softer still in the run-up to the elections and if there's a blue wave. But pro-cyclical FX strategy seems to be, for most strategists going forward, and the market's typically going towards a pro-cyclical FX, including Korean won, and playing into the KOSPI as well. So Korean won, CNH or CNY, Sing dollar are likely to benefit further. So macro improvement, carry advantage flows into renminbi and into some of these North Asian currencies, including Korean won. I think we might see further strength in Korean won. Our forecast for Korean won is actually quite distinctively stronger towards 117 levels, 116 levels even by end of this year. I mean, into next year even stronger as well, as long as the China macro stories continues to be strong. And then the equity play as well.